Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Taurus, it's sign. This is June weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Taurus. Page of Wands, Eight of Pentacles and the World under the deck. I think there is some so there is communication is coming, and Eight of Pentacles, you are concentrating on your career, on your abundance and the world. Some cycles are going to be end between you and your person, and some new cycles are going to be begin. And for some, this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Yeah, for some, this one type of ending between you and your person. For some, you are in separation. For some, you are in no contact. Even though you are in relationship right now, this is on and off. So let's see your reading. Recent past, High Priestess, Ace of Wands and Page of Pentacles. So you started listening to your intuition, trusting your intuition. You are very passionate towards this person, yes, but there was some communication in past which had happened between both of you. I think there is no clarity, there is no stability in this connection. Present Two of Swords, Hermit and the Moon. So a lot of misunderstandings, lot of arguments between you and your person, and you decided to move on, or you decided to let go of this person, but you can't, because you are at some crossroads. One part of you want this person back and one part want to leave this connection. That type of dilemma you are in, and you undergoing some transformation. You isolated from all and seeing everything in detail, because transformation, the Hermit. And the person involved in this connection could be Virgo or Pisces especially. So yeah, lot of illusions. There is no trust between you and your person. Especially you are at some crossroads. You are unable to make any decision. You are very indecisive. Then future, the Magician, the Tower and the Fool. So you, maybe if you are in separation with this person, you will going through a tower moment. Yes, it is very difficult for you because you love this person, but you will manifest whatever you want after this phase, because the Magician energy is here. For some, your person is a player, manipulator also, and the Fool. So after all these struggles, you will be in this energy. Taurus, the Fool, living in the present moment and going with the flow. This is very, very beautiful energy. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Virgo, or Pisces especially. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. See, Nine of Swords, Justice with Ace of Pentacles. So now they're missing you so much. They're losing their nights over you, and they want second chances with you. They want one more chance, and they want to offer new beginnings. Aces, brand new beginnings. They want to offer brand new beginning. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Taurus. Suffering in silence. Yeah, they're tired and their energy is totally drained. They're unable to talk right now because they are in so much pain. Yeah, some cycles are going to be end between you and your person. Yeah, they're thinking about you a lot. 24/7, they're thinking about you, Taurus. Now, they maybe in past they are in and out of your life. They treated you as an option. They ignored you. They rejected you. Whatever maybe it is. Right now, they are suffering in silence. Yeah, they are realizing your worth. So let's see their intentions. See lots of drama. 5 of Wands. Yeah, they're missing you right now. Oh my God, Lord. They're heartbroken you, they're missing you, they're juggling. And yes, finally they're coming to offer long-term commitment. See, I think they did hurt you. Now they realize their mistake. In past, yes, definitely they ignored you, they rejected you because 5 of Pentacles, cold shouldering. Now they're in so much pain without you. They're heartbroken without you. 3 of Swords energy. Still they're juggling, but they want rebirth in this connection. Yes, Chariot. Definitely they will make a move towards you, but they are in slow moving energy and they're thinking about stability. And Queen of Wands. For some, maybe your person is dominative in nature. So let's see. Let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. The Lovers with 9 of Pentacles. For some, your person is very independent emotionally and financially. And Lovers, yes, there is love between you and your person. Right now, your person feeling overburdened. Maybe their emotions are running high, but they are not expressing their emotions. Yes, their emotions are running high, but they are not expressing, but they do love you. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini. Yeah, you are taking your control back. Now you are no more dependent on anyone, either emotionally or financially. You are very defensive. Taurus, yes, you are taking your control back. You are restoring the balance within yourself. And the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius. Yes, you also tired of this energy. So let's say mutual. I think you both are very powerful couple. Yeah, communication. They're coming back with an apology and some truth coming out. Clarity is coming. Yes, right now you both are sad for the separation. Yeah, there is communication with clarity is coming and they're coming back with an apology. For some, children's also involved in this connection. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Taurus. All I want is you. I am not feeling good enough for you. Healing. I am feeling sad without you. And religious factors, I can't give you what you need. So the messages are, I can't give you what you need. All I want is you. I am not feel good enough for you. Healing. I am feeling sad without you. And religious factors. Maybe for some religious factors affecting your love life. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. FID climax approaches full moon in Aries energy. Definitely there is some climax is coming for your problems. And balance spirituality and practicality, full moon in Pisces. So if you're not doing any meditation, so please start, do meditation and balance spirituality and practicality both. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.